Good morning everybody. Today I am going to tell you the topic discrete Fourier transforms and inverse discrete Fourier transforms. Discrete Fourier transform DFT and IDFT. Discrete Fourier transform and inverse discrete Fourier transforms. DFT means discrete Fourier transform and IDFT means inverse Fourier transform. You know that x of e power j omega is a Fourier transform of discrete signal which is this is x of e power j omega is sampled, then it produce frequency domain is called DFT. This x of e power j omega is sampled, then it produces a frequency domain is called a DFT, discrete Fourier transform. This is very very important. Then discrete Fourier transform of finite length sequence of x of n. Here 0 less than n minus 1. This is the finite length sequence. Suppose we consider DFT of x of n. X of n is a discrete time signal. We know that. So DFT of x of n is discrete Fourier transform is x of k equal to sigma n equal to 0 to n minus 1. This is a finite length sequence. Here capital N is a length of sequence, or n is a number of samples in discrete time signals. Sigma n equal to 0 to n minus 1. X of n, this is a discrete time signal, e power minus j 2 pi by n into kn. This is the discrete Fourier transform of expression. Here k less than or equal to here 0 less than or equal to k less than or equal to n minus 1. This is a finite length sequence. Here 0 less than k less than or equal to n minus 1. This is the finite length sequence. This is the DFT of given signal x of n. This DFT signal also written as DFT of x of n equal to x of k, capital X of k, discrete time signal small x of n, capital X of k is a discrete Fourier transform. X of k equal to sigma n equal to 0 to n minus 1 finite length sequence x of n omega n k small n. In this 0 less than or equal to k less than or equal to n minus 1 finite length sequence. In this equation 1 and equation, comparing two equations, then produce expression in this similar in then it produce omega n equal to e power minus j 2 pi by capital N. This is called a e power j 2 pi by n. This is called a phase factor or Fidel factor. This is very very important for next topics. Butterfly structure of IIR filter, sapphire filter. This is very very important. Omega n equal e power minus j 2 pi by n. X of k is a frequency in frequency domain. We know that sequence of frequency domain. X of n is discrete time signal. In this capital N is a length of sequence or number of samples. Length of signal, number of samples. Coming to the IDFT. DFT formula is DFT expression x of k equals sigma n equal 0 to n minus 1 finite length x of n e power minus j 2 pi by n kn. Here k is 0 less than or equal to n minus 1 finite length sequence. Coming to the IDFT inverse discrete Fourier transform. This is the inverse of the Fourier transform, discrete Fourier transform. So we know that discrete Fourier transform is the x of k. So inverse discrete transform means x of n, small x of n. So IDFT of x of k is x of n equal to sigma k equal to 0 to n minus. Here n equal to 0 to n, here k equal to 0 to n minus 1. X of k e power here minus naught e power j 2 pi by capital N kn. Here 0 less than or equal to small n less than or equal to n minus 1 finite length. 0 less than or equal to small n less than or equal to n minus 1. This is also written as, this is the inverse Fourier transform technique expression. This is also written as IDFT of x of k equal to x of n equal to, this is a discrete time signal, equal to sigma k equal to 0 to n minus 1 equal 0 to n minus 1 x of k omega n minus kn, a small n, omega n k. Here k 0 less than or equal to n minus 1. Similarly, comparing the two expression, we get same. Omega n is e power minus j 2 pi by n is a phase factor or Fidel factor. This is the inverse discrete Fourier transform of the discrete time signal. This is expression. So this is the discrete Fourier transform. This is inverse discrete Fourier transform. Here capital N is the length of the sequence or number of samples. So this topic is completed. Discrete Fourier transform, the inverse discrete. Please subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you.